Okay, these are your notes. This is for tables, graphs, equation, and word problems. For linear functions. And so we need to know linear functions have a constant rate of change. And they have a beginning value, and that beginning value can be 0. So we have a beginning value and a constant rate of change. Okay, the equation form is y equals m times x plus b. Where m is the slope or rate of change. B is the y-intercept or beginning value, or sometimes even starting value. In a table, you can find the slope or the rate of change by looking at the differences in the y values and the x values. to find the y-intercept, or beginning value or starting value, find the y value that goes with the x value of 0. Let me show you an example. Oh, I should have given you an example for the equation. Here, let me do an example for the equation real quick. So for this equation, the slope is 3, and your y-intercept is -5. Okay, so let's do the table now. So let's see. Let's say this is -2, 0, 2, 4, 6. And let's say this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Well, to find the rate of change by looking at the difference in the y values and the x values. So the difference in the y values is 5. You go +5, +5, +5, like that. To get to the next one, you just add 5. And here, to get to the next one, you add 2. So your slope, you say the change in the y values divided by the change in the x values. The change in the y values is 5. The change in the x values is 2. So that's your slope. To find the y-intercept, find the y value that goes with the x value of 0. So here's my x value of 0. And 10 goes with that. So my y-intercept, or b, is equal to 10. So if I were to write an equation for this, I could use this information up here. Y equals the slope times x plus my y-intercept. And that is this is the equation that goes with this table.